Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how uh, what I can say it about how the smart lock work on Samsung mobile device. In this video, I will show I created tutorial on Samsung Galaxy Note, so you can check it. And let's start it. First, to check the smart lock, you can go to settings and you can scroll, and you can see right here is setting. Scroll down a little bit and you can see smart is a lock screen. So the smart lock is subcategories or sub menu of the lock screen. So just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see the previous video I already explained about a lock screen type with the pattern, with the pin code, with the password and other security. So in this video we gonna together learn about how is the smart lock work on the Samsung device. Just tap on it right here. It's smart lock. Okay, tap on it. Yes, so you need to input pin code. In this case, because I already created a pin code for my device, so it requires when I go to any security, any credential, or it's not a credential. If any setting, it will require to input the pin code first. So in this case, just sample pin code. Okay, and then go next. And here yes, it have a tip right here that we can learn together. What's smart lock? What is smart lock? Okay, smart lock keep this device unlocked when it's with you. How they know it's you? How they identify you? So smart lock can be recognized when this device is being carried. You are near home or another trusted place. You watch or another trusted device nearby. So in this case, it means that this device is interested thing is device identify you with being carried with. So it means when you use your device, so your device will be learn about you, and then they will understand your body, your something, your daily usage maybe. Okay, let's got it. Yes, so they have three main features on this smart lock. One is body detection. It means body detection. It will be understand about us that we are walking there, we are using, we are hanging and something like that. And if we detect, this device will be learned. If you unlock this device, will stay unlocked while it's in motion, like when you are walking with it. This device will be stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until you put it down. So it means it's a very long time that it detects us. Okay, and the second feature is about trusted place. Okay, the trusted place, as we mentioned, that trusted place will be at the work, to home, yes, and other place that we can add. And yes, so many. So this is a second step that device can identify you. And the last one is trusted device. Yes, sure. The trusted device, it means we are connected to the device like a smart watch or something like a washing machine, air conditioner, and other device that we connected to our phone. So yes, all about the smart lock in this video. So I hope you understand and you can use it properly. And yeah, it is a good feature, and other smart device maybe have, other have, I'm not sure. But in this video, in this case, I'm use Samsung Galaxy Note, so you can check out with your Samsung Galaxy and you will see that feature. Yeah, very interested. I'm not promote Samsung, but this is the feature that we should know. How many feature on your smartphone? If other device have, you can just leave the comment below to let me know. Oh, other device also has the feature as a competitor, as the technology competitions in the world today. So there are a lot of technology that we need to know, and we need to learn more and more, and we can use the technology we make us smarter, make us easier, make life smarter, make everything is beautiful. Thank you.